Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to use 3D sum in Excel sheet. We have seen till date how to calculate 2D sum. 2D sum mean if you want to calculate in vertical way, you put sum here. If you want to calculate horizontal way, you put sum here. What is a 3D sum? I will taking the sum of all three sheet into four sheet. I have I have three sheet here 2018, 2019 and 2020. Formula is a very easy. Just click on the fourth sheet. You can see here numbers start from B2 on every sheet. Okay. If you want to calculate here 3D sum, just select the B2 cell is equal to enter the sum, tap, then select the B2 of first sheet, then click the shift and then select 2019-20 and then enter. You can see here in formula 2018 to 20 B2. Just enter it. You can see here total values come. Now just drag it. You get all details, all sum. Okay. You can see here 2000 in every C2. Here total is 6000. That's it. Thank you.